Hello and welcome back, guys. In this episode, we will discuss the best-selling immersion blenders of 2024. The greatest immersion blenders can be used to break ice, combine sauces, emulsify, and much more. After analyzing the greatest options available on the market, this is our conclusion. Nutribullet. You can combine a smoothie right into the cup you want to drink it from with the Nutribullet Immersion Blender, Deluxe Set. The blade spin speed of this immersion blender is fully controllable by the user thanks to its variable speed. To find the ideal setting for what you want to manufacture, just turn the dial anyplace from high to low. The plastic body of the blender is ergonomic and comfortable to hold. For cleaning and storage, the blending arm made of stainless steel twists off. To enable customers to prepare a larger variety of items, 2 more attachments are included. And to prepare whipped cream or scrambled eggs, twist off the blending arm and replace it with the whisk attachment. To chop nuts, chop vegetables, and do other tasks, use the chopper attachment. Along with the 2 additional attachments, every purchase comes with a 30-ounce measuring and blending cup. It can be used to measure ingredients before adding them to the bowl where the dish is being prepared, or it can be used to blend directly in the cup. If you would like to use the blending and measuring cup to keep ingredients, it has a lid. Handor. With its sturdy stainless steel blades and powerful 1000 W motor, this Handor hand blender is perfect for quickly chopping tough foods like meat and nuts, cutting down on the amount of time needed to prepare meals. With this expert 12-speed variable speed hand blender, you can effortlessly modify the speed and power to suit various food types. To achieve greater results, press the turbo button, which quickly increases power. In addition, a hand blender, egg whisk, 600 milliliter beaker, 500 milliliter food processor bowl, and milk frother are included in this package. This gadget not only doubles as an extremely effective hand blender, but it also expands your culinary options. The stirring stick is easy to control thanks to its ergonomic handle, which offers a pleasant and non-slip grip. In addition, a safe and secure button lock is included. After rinsing, the handheld blender's detachable components can be cleaned. MasterChef. This professional quality handheld stainless steel stick blender set is an official product of MasterChef, the TV series. This 3-in-1 stick blender comes with whisking, foaming, and blending attachments. The ideal set of blending implements for a multitude of quick and exquisite food preparation outcomes. The 3 attachments are constructed from premium stainless steel. In addition to pureeing baby food, blending substantial soups, and creating delectably nutritious smoothies and shakes, the robust, long-lasting blender blades can handle both soft and hard ingredients. It has adjustable speed controls that make it simple to adapt to various meals and uses. And to achieve the ideal texture for all of your food blends and baking mixes, just adjust the speed. Its detachable and easily interchangeable blending, whisking, and frothing attachments allow for easy cleaning and convenient storage. The dishwasher, safe and easily cleaned with warm, soapy water, are the removable pieces for whisking, blending, and foaming. Instead of being cleaned with water, the stick blender's electronic component can be cleaned with a moist towel. Fullstar. With its 500-watt portable power, this full-star immersion blender can quickly blend, mix, puree, and whip up all of your favorite ingredients. With its 3 attachments, a blending arm, a whisk, and a frother, this unusual immersion blender is ideal for creating sauces, beverages, and more. To help to shield your pans from scratches, it also includes a silicone pan protection. This blender also has 9 speed settings, including turbo speed and an ergonomic, comfortable handle. To operate it, just plug the blender in, turn on the low speed, and adjust the speed using the control knob. Hit the turbo button to blend at a rapid pace. All things considered, this immersion hand blender with multiple uses is the ideal present for home cooks. Anyone can make any recipe a reality with the fullstar hand blender by blending ingredients in a pot, cup, or bowl for everything from smoothies to soups and sauces. Ganiza. With an 800W full copper motor, this Ganiza hand blender can simply and silently tackle numerous blending chores. A copper motor is expected to have a 3 times longer service life than a typical motor. And this elegant brushed stainless steel body is resistant to scratches. In just 15 seconds, you can mix and extract nutrients using its cross blades. It's perfect for creating cake batters, salsa, guacamole, whipped cream, baby food, meringues, dips, sauces, and mayonnaise. It's also great for preparing milkshakes, smoothies, and soups. It also has a turbo boost option and a 15-speed control. You have alternatives and exact control over a variety for all your blending needs with 15 speeds. On the other hand, the turbo mode provides an additional power boost when required. Professional-grade stainless steel makes up the detachable blending, whisking, and frothing pieces. They are dishwasher-safe and easily cleaned with warm, soapy water. A handheld blender, an 800 ml mixing beaker, a 600 ml chopper, a whisk attachment, and a milk frother are also included with this Ganiza electric hand blender. When multitasking in the kitchen, the snap-on, off removable attachments are meant to make things easier to use. Turelar. This immersion blender set serves numerous uses with its multiple attachments for blending, mashing, whisking, and frothing. It can do a lot of cooking jobs with less hassle and free up counter space and kitchen cupboards. The improved 1100W copper motor of this blender allows for 3x stronger blending or chopping than standard blenders. It quickly blends, chops, and mashes all components to a velvety texture, leaving you with flavorful, smooth results free of undesired parts. An easy-to-use variable speed trigger switch that has no preset speed setting allows you more control over the recipe and less chance of splattering. For coarsely chopped results, gently press the button. For better chopped results, deeply press the button. Also here, its cutting-edge food-grade nylon blade guard actually stops scratches to safeguard your cookware and stop food splatters, keeping your kitchen pristine and minimizing the trouble of clearing up kitchen debris. That brings an end to our video. I hope you found our video entertaining. If you would like to be notified when we publish new, hot reviews, click the bell and subscribe buttons. Thank you, and I'll see you all in the upcoming video.